5 courses which can help you to build mobile apps without coding using FlutterFlow. Here is the list. Number 5, Nutrition AI Agent. Consider an AI agent where it suggests meal based on the body type of human. Number 4, Doctor Appointment Booking App. Local clinics need this kind of app. You can sell them as a service where patients can book an appointment with doctor using this app. Number 3, Online Courses App. You can monetize your knowledge and sell online courses, and you will learn how to build this kind of app in this course. Number 2, Dating App. Learn to build an app like Tinder or Happen. The features like chat, match, swipe, all that stuff is taught in this course very well. And number 1 is Grocery Delivery App. Learn to build an apps like Zepto or Big Basket where users can order groceries online and you can deliver them. If you are interested in building these kind of apps, then visit Codzify.com. I have dropped the link in the description as well.